Why are you using your phone?
Sorry?
Hi, why are you using your phone? You're driving.
I'm stationary.
That's still driving. And you're not wearing a seatbelt either. But your dashboard. Oh, you are. Okay.
Are you
You're
the
not.
police?
No, but it's just as bad for you that I am.
I'm just looking at this, and I'll put it back when I don't drive on my phone.
But your dashboard's on. You're in charge of the car.
Okay.
I'm going to report it. So in about 2 weeks, you'll get a letter if the police choose to prosecute you.
Okay.
I don't know if you saw that lady behind you, way back there, that I looked at. She was also on her phone.
Oh right.
That's why I spoke to her.
Okay, no worries.
Anyway,
Sorry about that.
please do better in future.
Sure.
Watch somebody comment that I'm filtering on the hatchings here. I'm afraid to tell you that it's perfectly legal. And my purpose of filtering is more than sufficient to be considered a necessary use of the hatching. What are we going to do here?